ladies and gentlemen, actually just ladies. I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten a DM on my Instagram कि please make a video about the innerwear that you wear under your tops. So ladies, I have the most trustworthy, most tried and tested innerwear guide for you. मैं ये सारी चीज़ें at least 1.5 साल से पहन रही हूँ. I have used them on my trips. I have used it during my gym period जब मैंने weight loss कर भी लिया था and अभी जब से I started my fitness journey again. I'm gonna link the previous 2 lingerie guides that I made because those are going to be really helpful as well. Also the video is an association with Amazon. उनकी monsoon sale start होने वाली है from 1st of June. So you make sure that you check out all their discounts. I love shopping from Amazon because not only do they have authentic brands on their site but also good sales on their brands. Also some very critical information before I start with this video. I had measured my current size. I keep on fluctuating. अभी मैं periods पे भी हूँ तो मेरी tummy is extra bloated. Even my boobs feel a little bloated or I don't know how to say it because currently मेरा under bust is 34 inches and the over bust, the highest part, is 40. दूसरी चीज़ हर bra का size अलग होगा because these bras have been bought over the period of 2 years और उसमें मेरा size ऊपर नीचे होता गया है. So you follow the chart of the brand. Brands are so different. सबके sizing थोड़ा ना ऊपर नीचे होता ही है. आप जो भी bra लेने की सोच रहे हो उस brand का size chart एक बार ज़रूर check कर लेना. Now let's begin. Let's begin with the sports bras first. So these are the 2 sports bras जिनके बगैर मैं जी नहीं सकती. These have been my go-to. Number 1 is by Triumph. This is how it look. इसमें कोई padded नहीं है but बहुत ही अच्छी layer है on the cups. Talking about the straps, it's quite thick. पीछे से adjustable है and आगे से भी they've given a system जिससे आप ना इसको निकाल के एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. एंड दिस वन इज सो स्टर्डी वाइल बीइंग सो लाइट वेट. कोई अननेसेसरली बहुत थिक पैडिंग नहीं है. बैंड भी मोटा है बट लाइट वेट है. यू कैन सी देयर इज ऑलमोस्ट अ पीस ऑफ नेट. So it feels very airy even while doing the most intense of workouts. This was the one जो मैं अपने HIIT sessions के लिए करती थी, dance sessions के लिए use करती थी, strength training के लिए use करती थी last year कल में, burn sessions के लिए जिसमें literally for 40 seconds I was burning like fire, and for kickboxing sessions as well. And somehow I am just surprised by how lightweight and easy breezy से sports bra है. And it just works. So 2 hooks में ही it gave me the best of best support. It literally ये जो cup size है, it's enough to keep my boobs in place. चाहे मैं skipping कर रही हूँ, climbing कर रही हूँ. This is the size 36D and yeah, it just works for me. Now I know Triumph wala can be a little more expensive for a lot of you, but I feel it's an investment. Your health is like an investment. I have been wearing this bra for since 1.5 साल तो regularly almost, and I know मैं इसको अगले 2 साल भी चला सकती हूँ. So think of certain pieces in this haul as an investment only. Anyways, I do have 2 affordable options from the brand Zivame. I had a very long association with that brand, and उनके sports bra were literally something that I've enjoyed using during the COVID. उनकी 2 bras literally stood out to me. Number 1 is this lightly padded one, जिसका सामने से कोई भी ऐसे zip या chain की detailing नहीं है. It literally just covers your boob area and keeps it very compact. तो आप जब heavy duty workout भी कर रहे होगे, these 2 babies just don't get the time to move क्योंकि इतना compact कर देता है. इसके भी cups lightly padded ही है and there's a support thingy, come sweat प्रूफ रखने के लिए थोड़ा cushioning here as well. पीछे से it might just have 2 hook का छोटा सा system only, but it keeps everything very compact and I love it. This might just be 2.5 साल पुरानी but I still love using it. The other one by Zivame is this one जिसमें सामने एक zip detailing भी है. This also works on the concept of keeping your boobs very compact. I loved using it but ये size अब मेरा outgrow हो चुका है तो मैंने उसको फेंक भी दिया है because I feel like वो मैं साइज कभी वापस जाऊंगी नहीं. But during my Chloe Ting HIIT workouts वाले days, this one just worked for me. इसका भी पीछे से काफ़ी अच्छा, यहाँ साइड से काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोटेक्शन देता है ये. So you can definitely go for this one. I think right now it's valued for 1,000 rupees. So get your size in it and you would love using it. Okay, we're done with the sports section. Now let's jump to the most awaited strapless bras. कि मैं अपनी ऐसे ट्यूब टॉप्स के अंदर क्या पहनती हूँ without any transparent strap or support. So my go-to has been the one by Enamore. In fact, that is what I'm wearing currently as well. It keeps me protected. It's a decent, actually it's more than a decent bra from an Indian brand. I have sworn by it since at least 4 years and मैं उसे अपनी बहुत वीडियोस में प्रमोट कर चुकी हूँ. It's a non-padded strapless bra जिसकी ऊपर थोड़ी सी लाइनिंग है, तो it sticks to your boobs, comes in 2 colors and इसके पीछे जो बैक स्ट्रैप में इलास्टिक है, that is the game changer. But इसके बाद सबसे बड़ा question that I've always gotten in my DMs is कि इसका size is an issue. It doesn't have any bigger size than 36C. Yes, they do. एक तो इनके पास कप साइज में C से बड़ा कुछ है नहीं, तो even I actually बैंड साइज में एक साइज ऊपर चली जाती हूँ. Like I'm 34, but I'm currently wearing 36C to get enough coverage for my boobs because I am a D cup size, in fact a double D. So 34C doesn't work for me. I go for 36C, and if you are a cup size bigger than me, it wouldn't work. Also ये dance proof नहीं है. Like अगर मैं बहुत नाचना चाहूँ, it does move around, and I've had incidents जहाँ पे it got embarrassing. But recently, not recently, last year I figured out another brand. It's more expensive than the Enamour one. I have found the most perfect strapless bra there could ever be in the entire world, and I'm going to share it with you guys finally. It's by Marks and Spencer. First of all, let's just appreciate the quality, the build, the mold, the cup size that they've given us. मैं shocked थी जब ये मुझे मिली. Now let me talk about why I appreciate this bra so much. Can you see the cup moldings that this is literally enough for my boobs to settle in and be very comfortable. इसके बाद अंदर से भी they've given like such a good hold and such a good cushion. It's just perfect. And I don't know how, बिना किसी thick band के it just sticks to my body and it stays put. Next point, I don't know ये कौन सा material है that they've added to the back वाला strap, but it just keeps thing like put. मैंने इसको पहन के गोवा में डांस तक किया है and nothing moved. Like I can swear by this so much. And इसके पीछे ये ट्रिपल हुक का सिक्योरिटी भी है. It just works, guys. I cannot tell you how much I swear by this. मैंने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को बोल रखा है कि अगर बजट है तो भाई इन्वेस्ट इन दिस. इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद रिमूवेबल स्ट्रैप्स. ये मुझे हल्का सा बीच में ढीला होने लग गया था, तो आई went for another size in this white one. This one is 34 double D, but currently I am wearing 36 double D again. एक चीज मैं कंपैरिजन में बताना चाहूँगी एनामोर और इसके. एनामोर वन बिकॉज उसमें पैडिंग नहीं है, इट जस्ट वर्क्स ऑन द बैक का इलास्टिक जो अंदर उन्होंने दे रखा है, एंड जस्ट वो जो ऊपर की लाइनिंग पे जो उन्होंने इलास्टिक दे रखी है, इट स्टिल कंप्रेसेस माई boobs. This one, because it has such molding over it, it gives a very good shape to my boobs, but it also makes it look even more bigger. आप दोनों को compare कर सकते हो and it would make sense to you. While it is like the perfect bra to hold your boobs, it is going to make it look a little more bigger. Now the last two recommendations from my side are going to be the basic everyday bras that I love wearing. Number one is from a brand that recently just surprised me. मैंने Jan में खरीदा था. This is from Van Heusen. Now I did not know Van Heusen also makes lingerie. For years I used to be the one जिसको underwired and padded bra बहुत पसंद थी, but now I have changed. I love wearing minimizers जो non-padded होते हैं, non-wired होते हैं, but still give you a very good look. So this is exactly that. This is their full coverage, non-wired, non-padded one, but it just works for my boobs so well. I'm wearing it under a very tight t-shirt top, and you can see it gives a very good look to me. If you're a busty girl like me, दो चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना whenever you're buying your everyday bras. एक तो उसकी कप की कवरेज कितनी है. गो फॉर द फुल कवरेज वन फॉर टी शर्ट्स एंड टाइट टॉप्स, या फिर अगर आप स्वीट हार्ट नेकलाइन टाइप के टॉप पहन रहे हो तो ये दिख जाएगी फुल कवरेज वाली चीज़ें, तो गो फॉर द 3/4 कप वन. आई लव दिस ब्रा बिकॉज इसके ना साइड में देव गिवन दिस मोल्डिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग जो बहुत अच्छे से कंप्रेस कर देता है मेरे बूब्स को, एंड इट कीप्स इट इन प्लेस एज वेल. ऑल्सो साइड में देव गिवन अ वायर. ये सेम चीज़ थी एनामोर वाली वायर स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा में भी. दिस वायर इज वॉट कीप्स थिंग्स यहाँ पे इन कंट्रोल एंड वेरी मच इन प्लेस. सो आई एम इन कम्फर्ट. मेरे बूब्स एंड ऑल तो कोई ऐसी मुझे चीप्स चुप भी नहीं रही होती. बाकी ये पीछे एंड साइड से भी गिव्स अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट एंड कवरेज. सो एंड दिस वॉज अंडर 500 और 600 रुपीज़. सो आई फ्रिकिंग लव दिस. बहुत टाइम से मैं इसको पहनते हुए आ रही हूँ. लिटरली आई स्लीप इन इट. Van Heusen has done a fantastic job. Now इसके अलावा I have one more bra that literally surprised me. It's by Naked by Nykaa. इनकी जो strapless bra थी, it disappointed us last year. Oh my god, ये मेरी bra और मेरे बाल same color के हो गए हैं. I did not like their strapless bra. It just didn't work for me. But their non-wired lightly padded bra, T-shirt bra, works for me. These two are actually my go-to everyday bra. अगर आप मुझे कभी भी किसी regular कुर्ते या टी-शर्ट में देखोगे, it would be these two bras only. Now talking about this bra, it has very light padded cups. Like it's not even padded, हल्की सी foam सी है. It's very comfortable. Now remember मैं कह रही थी कि आप अपने स्वीट हार्ट नेक लेंगे, थोड़े से भी वी नेक, डीप नेक्स के लिए मिनिमाइजर्स नहीं पहन पाओगे क्योंकि फुल कवरेज वाले उनकी स्ट्रैप्स यहाँ से जाती हैं ऐसे कप्स, तो इट विल बी विजिबल इन द ब्रॉड नेक टॉप्स. उसके लिए दिस इज माई गो टू. दिस इज अ 3/4 कवरेज ब्रा. I don't know what they've done with their cups. It's breathable. It's so soft and I have machine washed it plenty of times. उसके बाद ये बिगड़ा नहीं है तो I love it. अभी के weather के लिए भी इसका pad doesn't feel very heavy and you know very suffocating and जिससे मुझे पसीना और आए. This is breathable and I swear by it. इसके अलावा if you still want something for underwired and padded recommendation, I kept it at my mother's place but it is by Triumph. I do have try-on bits from last year, तो मैं वो दिखा देती हूँ. This has become my go-to for like something. अगर मैं कुछ full turtleneck पहन रही हूँ, I need कि मेरे cups बिल्कुल in place रहे, full एकदम मस्त लगे, तो I go for this padded bra. It's very comfortable. हल्का सा वो rayon blend वाला कपड़ा है. It's not the cotton blend like this one. That's what I love about this. ये cotton blend है तो ये breathable है. Triumph वाला is also very very comfortable. It's just अंडरवायर्ड और पैडेड ब्रास मैंने इन जनरल पहनना ही छोड़ दिया है. सो मैं ट्रायम्फ वाली की भी लिंक आपके लिए नीचे छोड़ दूंगी in case that's what you're looking for. And ladies and gentlemen, that was all for my ultimate guide to lingerie, undergarments. I think I've covered everything from sports bras to strapless bras to my everyday. These 6 bras have become my go-to. I think अगले 1 साल तक I don't think so I'm experimenting with my bras, but in case you want me to try anything, like literally anything from the internet, let me know in the comment section or send me the DM. Send me the link in my DMs and I'm gonna make a video about it. Of course, after trying it out for a few weeks. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी then share it with your girlfriend, like share it with at least 2 of your girlfriends. I know this is going to be very beneficial for all the women out there. So please share this ahead and help us grow. And if you're watching my face बिना सब्सक्राइब के, प्लीज़ यार गर्मी और बढ़ जाएगी, मैं बता रही हूँ, मेरा श्राप है, मैं मजाक ही कर रही हूँ, but yeah. Hit the red button and join the Sunflower Squad. And if you have any more ideas for this channel, let me know in the comment section and I will work on them very very soon. Okay, bye.